Video. Wow.
This thing's lighting up. Look at this thing lighting up now. I mean, yeah. Wow. That's very impressive. Wow. I've never seen anything like that. Wow. Yeah, and pictures?
Yep. Video.
Yeah? Wow. Yeah, it's really cool. I don't remember ever seeing anything like this. Wow. Jeez. Impressive.
Water.
Get video of it? I've never seen anything like this, to be honest with you. This is pretty impressive. You're not going to see anything like this, I don't think, ever again. Now look at that. That's amazing. Wow. It just keeps going.
I know. It's like
it's like
non-stop.
It is. It's non-stop.
I've never seen anything like that.
Not like this. No. It's something to show people. You know.
Yep. Wow.
Yeah. Impressive. It's just like non-stop. It's unbelievable. That is really cool. I've never seen anything like that. Why you
See
getting
that
a
it went
video of
like
it?
a circle, like? Yeah.
No, it's unbelievable. Wow. Jeez.
This is unreal.
Yeah. It is amazing. It's like, it just keeps going. It's like one shot. You know, I've never seen anything like that. Holy cow. Jeez. Yeah, it's impressive. It really is. I mean, this is like really impressive.
And it's just behind that one cloud.
Yeah, no, it's this one whole cloud right here. Whoa.
Whoa. Yeah.
All right, let's go get a drink.